The offense, or getting charged with DUI, is very common here in central Pennsylvania, and it's becoming more and more common. Law enforcement agencies are really working hard to enforce the DUI laws here in Pennsylvania, and more people are getting pulled over all the time. The type of person that gets pulled over or charged with the DUI offense is everyone. It's your neighbor, it's your family member, it's your friend. If you're arrested for DUI, it doesn't mean you're going to get a conviction automatically. There are a lot of options here in Pennsylvania. There are a lot of programs that you can use to avoid a criminal conviction, especially for your first offense. The best thing to do is to speak with an experienced attorney so you can understand your rights and your options before pleading guilty to anything. If you're pulled over or arrested for a DUI in Pennsylvania, it does not necessarily mean that you're going to lose your driver's license. There are options and opportunities where you can retain your license, and there's even ways to petition the court to allow you to get a work-only or a limited license that allows you to keep your job and continue to work even if you have a suspension. If you're convicted of a DUI in Pennsylvania, the consequences range from jail time, loss of license, and a significant amount of fines. The important thing if you're arrested or charged with a DUI in Pennsylvania is speak to an attorney that has experience in this area so you understand all of your rights, all of your options, and how to avoid some of those serious consequences, especially for first-time offenders. We are a small law firm. We're a small law firm because that's the philosophy of who we are. I'm an experienced litigator, and if you hire our firm, I am going to be the attorney in court with you fighting your case. That's the difference that we bring from large law firms. We have the same resources, we have the same experts, we have attorneys that can do research and writing. But when it comes to trying your case and being in the courtroom, I'll be the one doing it, not an associate. I have experience handling DUI cases from both the prosecution and the defense perspective. I started out my career as a prosecutor in the military, prosecuting DUI cases, and then I transitioned and I've been defending DUI cases for over a decade. What makes our law firm different when it comes to a DUI case is this: we are a litigation law firm. I've tried more than 100 cases to verdict in front of a jury, and that's the difference. We're a firm that is not afraid to take these cases to trial. So if you contact us for a consultation, we like to call it a strategy session. What we're going to do is we're going to talk about your case. We're going to get to know each other. We're going to make sure it's a good fit and that we can communicate well. We're going to talk about all aspects of your case, all details of your case, and from the beginning, we're going to develop a strategy that makes sense for you and your life circumstances. That initial consultation is always free.